Hey guys, what's up? So today we are doing a DIY, and what you're gonna need is some paint. You can get whatever color you want. I'm doing round for the main house, so like this piece. Green for the roof. Actually, green for nothing. I'm doing another roof, and dark blue, navy blue to be in fact. So I'm actually tearing the roof off. So you don't have to keep this roof if you don't want to. I mean, I'm not going to keep it, I don't think. Maybe I can redo another roof or another house or something. But I'm actually using my old house roof. And let's get started. It just fell. Shoot. Oh my god. I thought it was this paint. Alright, I'll be right back though, and I will do in time lapse. Alright guys, you're also going to be needing cups or any kind of, maybe a paint tray or something. So, I'm using cups. So, I'm going to go in paint mode. I'm going to do the inside first, which is going to be the navy blue. And I'm going to open all these paints, and I'll be right back. And go in time lapse, actually. Alright guys, that was a quick DIY. Basically, I'm not finished with it, so the stuff that's in the original house is actually getting transferred. And I'm gonna remodel it a little bit. So, yeah, see you guys then. Alright guys, so, sorry, now the camera's all messed up. For this next part, what you want to do is, ooh, it's wet there. You want to coat it again. Just the outside, I'm going to do that. And also, I'm trying to spread out the paint. Because I have huge spots that hasn't dried yet. But what I suggest, so you're not wasting anything, just put like dabs or a dot, only that much. I have so much. Oh, whoops. Or you can do what I did and put a big dot, but try not to do that. Alright, I'm gonna put in time lapse, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm actually to end the DIY here. It was a really cool DIY. Took several hours, but oh, I fell in the hamper. Here's the finished product. I added a tree, I added the rock. These two I've had, and I put this here, I've had that. It was actually in right here. So I glued it. The tree can stay, but I just realized, like, maybe I don't want it there for Christmas because I do use this house for holiday reasons too. I just put lights on it, but the roof got a different green. I was afraid that was going to happen, which isn't a big deal. I actually like the brighter green better than the darker green. But I'll see you guys then. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more DIYs, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. We'll see you guys later. Bye.